Hello guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. If today is your first time, you're welcome. Today we are going to make fresh juice with mixed fruit. We have pomegranate, we have mint, red apple, plums and lemon. So now let's go. Now into our blender we have add everything. We are going to add a cup of water, then we blend it. You can see now we are blending our fresh juice. After blending, we take a bowl with our sifter. We are going to sieve it. After sieving it, this is what we have. Now we are going to add our lemon juice. We squeeze it into a glass. Now we are going to add some ice. Now our fresh juice is ready. Please, if you like sugar, you can add sugar, but me, I don't like sugar. You can add sugar syrup or vanilla syrup or agave, it depends on you, or you can still drink it like me without sugar. Guys, our fresh juice is ready. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.